Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to lock your Facebook profile. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to lock your Facebook profile, you need to first of all go to Facebook. Once you're in your Facebook, you need to go to your profile and now you need to tap on the three dots on the top right corner. Once you simply tap on it, you can find the option called lock profile. You need to tap on it and here you need to tap on lock profile. So if this feature is available, you need to simply tap on it. This feature of lock profile basically restrict posts, photos and info to only your friends, but it's reason dependent and requires turning off professional mode if active. Otherwise, manually set audience and visibility settings like friends for posts and followers to limit visibility. So this way you can lock your Facebook profile. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.